Do you guys need an official invoice from eBay for tax or record purposes? Here's how to easily download the invoice using the updated 2025 website. First, start by heading to ebay.com and signing into your account. Sign in with your account with your registered email and password. Next, hover over My eBay tab at the top right corner and click on Purchase History. The drop-down menu. Then find the item for which you need the invoice. Make sure it's a completed purchase. Since I got no orders here, you just have to follow the rest steps. Click the More Actions drop-down next to the item and select View Order Details to open the full order summary. Next, you're on the order page. Click Print near the top right corner. From here, you can either print it directly or choose Save as PDF to download the invoice. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your invoice from eBay. Like and subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.